So let's give these tinctures a try and we'll see what their individual flavors have been bringing to our Amaro. Let's start off with, oh no, all right. We're starting with the mother of all. We're starting with the Gentian Root. And yeah, I mean, I did put them right here, so I should know that I set myself up for this, but I didn't expect it.
It's a time to make Amaro yesterday and not tomorrow. If you like a bitter taste, that is a time you will not waste. Hey.
Super strong on the nose. Mega bitter. Spicy. Very earthy. Very woodsy. My, oh my. Nice lightish brown color. Wish me luck. Hot dang, that's a spicy nugget. Woo! Whoa, that's a whole journey. That is so bitter. This is the main bittering agent. It's like what you're starting off as your base, and then you're adding everything on to sort of bring this bitterness down. Should we do a count of how many wild grimaces I'm gonna make throughout the day of trying all of these? That's a couple right there. That's probably 3. My word. Very earthy, very woodsy, very bitter. I can't really let go of the gentian. I could definitely bring it down a bit, but it is the main bittering agent, so it's gotta bring the bitterness up to the peak of the roller coaster ride, and then all these other ingredients sort of let it nuzzle all the way down. That sticks. That sticks. Next one we're gonna go with Lemon Verbena. Quite nice. Like a tea. Beautiful color too, very dark. Give myself a nice chunk there. That's your classic Amaro color right there. It's a natural coloring too. Little like honeyish up front. Wow, that has natural sweetness just from the leaves. That's incredible. That's what you want. You want to have something like this to bring down that like immediate bitterness of the gentian, and everything else just like keeps knocking away at that tree to win the lumberjack competition that we all compete in every year. This is an ingredient that I haven't even used yet, but I sort of snuck it in because I was like, I have a feeling about you, and the feeling was right and mutual. Thank you. That sort of alleviated some of the numbing sensation and the bitterness that was still on my tongue from the gentian root, which is exactly what you want from all these ingredients to sort of offset each other and bring their own dynasty, if you will. That's definitely going to go in the next batch. Hot dang. So we started off with gentian, now we got to the lemon verbena, which just sort of like made the day seem like it was going to be a bit of a better experience. That first one was like, what have I gotten myself into? And now I feel a little bit better. Thanks, Lemon Verbena. They say to talk to your plants. It's the same thing. Talk to your boozed down plants. What do we have here? Dandelion. A little nervous about this one. Dandelion. All right, let's go. Should have brought a little snack to have in between these things to cleanse the palate. You know what I mean? Woo! A bit more brown than the lemon verbena, but a beautiful color, sort of like an Amaro Montenegro color. That super dense, thick chunk. Smells like a green tea. Very, very strong up front, dandelion. Tastes like a green tea right off the bat. That with some mint would be delightful.
Buongiorno. To recap, Gentian Root, super bitter but molto necessary. Lemon Verbena. I want to be with you tonight for love. Dandelion, I thought you would be more bitter, but you are earthy, also good for love. Ciao. It's a time to make Amaro yesterday and not tomorrow. If you like a bitter taste, that is a time you will not waste. Hey.